right, girls, what are you doing?
We're putting crab apples in here, and I'm sorting to get all the kind of straw out.
Okay, so you're sorting the crab apples and getting all the good ones and getting all the stuff we don't want in there out, huh?
Yeah.
Good job.
These good little helpers are putting them all in the colander.
Wow, girls are doing great.
Okay, thanks.
Wow, there's just a lot going on. Here's some active ferments. Some roasted tomatoes that were shelf ripened. What are those going into?
Those are for tomato soup.
For what?
Tomato soup.
Tomato soup. And we had some awesome fresh tomato homemade spaghetti last night for dinner. This is just a bustling kitchen right now. And we're just doing a real-time tour. Rachel, what do you have going on here?
I'm right now pressing the cooked crab apples through the food mill to make apple butter.
Okay, pressing the crab apples to make
Crab
apple butter. Now, before they came to the food mill here, though, they are getting processed through this contraption,
Yeah,
which
this
is
is
what, Carolyn?
The steam juicer.
This is a-
So we're extracting a bunch of the juice first.
Okay.
And then because that removes a lot of the liquid, we can just run the leftovers right through the food mill, and we end up with a thick apple butter that just needs to be seasoned and spiced.
So this is really cool. So instead of cooking down the apples and evaporating off a lot of the juice,
Right.
we're getting the juice, which we're going to use to make cider, and still getting the apple butter.
Yes, exactly.
And,
We're getting all of it.
there's no flavor loss in the apple butter whatsoever.
No, there's not. And then even with the stuff coming out of the apple butter, this is the seeds and the skins.
Mm-hmm.
We're going to be working on homemade pectin, making the homemade
Homemade
pectin.
pectin with that,
It's kind of
okay.
like a non-sweetened jelly that you
Mm-hmm.
use to thicken your other jams and jellies. So we're using every bit of these amazing crab apples that we
Very-
can, because they are so good and such beautiful color.
Very, very cool. And
Yeah.
look at this. This is going to be the color of the apple butter. Do you have a jar canned around?
Yeah,
I wanted everybody to see. So you guys, even after it's canned, it looks this red. I've never seen red apple butter like this. And it is wonderfully flavored. The girls made like an oatmeal tart yesterday out of it. And anyways, so...
Wait, I gotta show you.
Carolyn's got another.
This is-
What's
this-
going on here?
This is in the canner right now. This is just the overload of the canner. This is pickled crab apples, spiced pickled crab apples in it.
Pickled crab
They are
apples.
so incredibly good, but look at that
So
color.
that's the fourth product you're
That's-
pulling out of these crab apples.
Yeah, I can't do anything else with them. They just go in pretty much whole into the pickle.
Okay.
So they won't get used 4 different ways. But these are going to be so good on our Thanksgiving table. I'm really excited. And then you got Brianna back there making butter.
Hey Brianna,
Hi.
and you're making butter.
Yep.
All right. How much butter are we getting today? I'll bet you, what, 5 pounds?
Something like that.
5 pounds, a lot more than that.
A lot more than
Oh
that.
yeah, we'll be at about 12 pounds.
12 pounds of butter today, and we do that a couple times a week.
Yep.
Wow, you guys. Well, just wanted to give you real-time, few-minute tour of an average harvest day around here. Hope you guys are enjoying fall. See you soon.